Now we are at a very interesting place, covering a very interesting event. We are at NIET Business School that is doing this very Business Conclave 2024, and also we are joined by a pioneer, the director of this very institution, who is Major General Rajan Kochar. So my very first question to you would be, Defense Conclave 2024. Where did this idea come from? How did you thought of it, and how did this get incorporated today? And how wonderful a session it was.
Very interesting question. And as a matter of fact, this idea germinated in my mind maybe about 20 days back. And sometimes we say in educational institutions, you plan events months before. But somehow this crystallized only about 20 days back, and the entire planning was done in the last about 7, 8 days. S- my thought about management and the defense. I've been brought up in army environment for the last 37 years. Most management concepts have emanated from the armed forces. However, this sort of an information is not known to either the students or to the academia. So I thought this would have been a wonderful opportunity if I get uh, distinguished and gallantry officers of the defense forces on this platform interact with the students and possibly impart those management lessons which are not found in textbooks, because most of our unfortunate education system is based on classroom teaching. So it was an opportunity to get out of the classrooms and interact in flesh and blood with the senior defense officers, and very wonderful experiences they have shared today. I'm extremely happy the way the program has gone so far. In the afternoon session, we are also having uh, skills and a soft skill development session, which is also going to be taken by defense officers. So I think this was the basic theme uh, on which this program was based.
Now, sir, also, talking about this Defense Conclave 2024, how do you aim to, or how does rather this conclave aim to bridge the gap between both theoretical, management knowledge and also the practical industry exposure and requirements?
See, today, what has been my experience, because I retired about 5 years back and I've been with the education sector. My experience is that today, the 60% of the MBA students are unemployable. That is, they will not be selected for the profession for which they have come to study. And what is the reason? But the reason is a lack of communication skills, a lack of soft skills, and a lack of a problem solving attitude. So there are two, three things involved. One is the change of attitude. One is the honing of their skills, and third, giving them a practical exposure outside the classrooms. So for that, the NIT Business School, under the vision of Mr. Raman Batra, it has gone a step further today, when we are moving away from the classroom teaching, and we are moving into a realm of outdoor activity teaching. So we are also tying up with Success Skills Academy in this manner, that we will expose our students to team building, you know how to actually work in teams, how to do brainstorming, how to do a problem solving exercise, and finally, in the area of conflict management. Because today, why I actually got these defense officers is that because they will relate their skills to conflict management. In each businesses today, there are a lot of internal problems, internal conflicts, and I feel human relations or human resource can be best understood through such initiatives, and we'll be expanding on that in the coming months now.
So my very last question to you would be, a lot of viewers who are watching you on television also right now, they're all youngsters as well. And how do you feel, rather, what were the takeaways you felt that the students or our viewers also can incorporate and can take from this defense conclave that has happened?
First of all, I must thank Rishabh Gulati because he has sent the channel to cover this program and send this message. Possibly this message which I am going to tell you now wouldn't have actually reached a large viewership if your team was not here. The message which this conclave is actually is bringing out is there are reforms required today in our education system, in our method of teaching, in our method of building leaders for tomorrow. What is lacking is the leadership which we require in any MNC or any corporate or any organization. We in the management school, are we able to generate those kind of leaders? So I am actually aiming at that focus, that getting the defense officers who are here, who have actually proven their leadership in the armed forces, be a motivator, be a source of inspiration for our students here and become their role models, because I want them to have proper role models in their life rather than get swayed by the social media and all that what kind of information is being built up on this social media. There's a lot of hate. There is a lot of anger. So I want to remove this hate and anger amongst the students to build up their emotional intelligence levels to an extent that they can become force multipliers for our nation. Because if you recollect, 65% of our population is less than 30 years of age. If we can make an impact on this younger generation, I think the country will be in safe hands.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for talking to us. So yes, viewers, that was Major General Rajan Kochar, who spoke exclusively to NewsX and even shared how important is Defense Conclave 2024 for not just the officers but also the youth and also everyone who are watching us on television. This is me, Brian Anthony Thomas, signing off with camera person Sudhir for NewsX Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.